How to fix WhatsApp voice message. Hello guys and welcome back to this video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix any problem you have with the WhatsApp voice message. So just keep watching until the end. So the first way or the first solution that we have is you have to go to the settings, go to the apps, and then go to the app, scroll down, go to WhatsApp, click here on force stop, and then click on notifications. Make sure to enable all the notifications from the first one to the latest one. Go back, click on the permissions, and make sure that all the permissions right here again are enabled. Go back. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp. As you can see right here, this is the latest update. It's on December 5 now, and if you don't have it, it will show you this update option. You have to click on it. That's the second way, and it may be the problem. The last one is you have to check your phone microphone. It may be the problem just from your phone, and you have to take it to someone that can fix it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the end. See you later.